Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. Today I am going to share random day in my life. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and do not forget to subscribe. So let's begin with the video. Doing some pre-preparation for next day. Soaking masoor or lentil for sabji. Every 2 weeks I make multigrain atta. So here I have taken jawar flour, soybean, besan, maize or corn flour, ragi, sattu, etc. You can make any combination which you like. Just mixing flour together and also sieving the flour. Sieving helps to break up any lumps in the flour. Here I am adding wheat bran half cup just to increase fiber content of flour. And yeah, the multigrain flour is ready. This flour can stay longer for a month, but I prefer to make every 2 weeks so that I can include variety of flours in diet. So guys, do try this multigrain flour. So here I am soaking rice and urad dal for dosa or idli batter. I have taken 3 cup idli rice, 1 cup urad dal, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds and 2 tablespoon tur dal. I do every week dosa batter without fail. I usually get up around 4:30 a.m. but this was Saturday, so the day from the weekend, so I got up little late around 6:30 a.m. The first thing I would like to see my plants and just to enjoy 5 minutes in the balcony. The first thing I'm doing laundry, so I'm soaking bed sheets. I tried many ways to manage laundry like weekly 3 days, 2 days or alternate day like that, but nothing worked. So daily one batch of laundry is must. Now it is time to drop my kid to school as exams are going on. So I will drop him and come back. I am back and now I am making dosa batter. I will grind soaked rice and dal. Here my husband making tea for us as it's weekend, so he is helping me. Because of winter, dosa batter takes time to ferment, so I'm covering this with the bed sheet. It's time to cook breakfast. So I'm making omelette, but I will add leftover soya granule sabji. Yesterday I made it for dinner. So here I have taken 3 eggs, some chopped onion. I'm adding the soya granule sabji. Mix well. Simultaneously I am making sabji, the one which I soaked yesterday, that is masoor. So in a pan I have taken oil, adding some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, some chopped onions, saute well, cover and cook. Here omelette is ready. In sabji I am adding masalas like turmeric, kanda lasun masala and cooked masoor or lentil. Just mix well, adding salt, adding some jaggery. Jaggery is must as it enhances flavor and gives really good taste, and just cover and cook. Here omelet's also done. In between I am checking sabji. My son wanted to have sandwich. So I am just putting those omelette in between bread slices, and I will toast on the tawa. And here sabji is ready. This sandwich was really tasty. It was filling also. Now it's time to clean up kitchen. First I'm starting with vessels. I'm loading dishwasher. By the time he is back now from school, he finished his exam. Now next task. It's never ending, guys. Here I am folding clothes. I know it's very boring, but have to do, and every day we have to do. I know many of you can relate. Now it's lunch time, so I have to make roti. This is multigrain atta only. I have used multigrain atta 2 cup and 1.5 cup wheat flour. Yeah, this is lunch time. So masoor usad, multigrain roti and curd. Simple but nutritious. After lunch it is relaxing time, so I try to do some hobbies like I like crochet, painting, drawing, sewing, etc. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this random day in my life. Please like, share and do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned until next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.